Hello, my name is Johan Rivera, and today we're going to be talking about credit card fraud prevention using Team 10's newest product, Oxford Analytica. Now a bit about our product. The Oxford Analytica Fraud Detection Suite uses automated analytics-driven algorithm that helps businesses reduce losses due to credit card fraud. To quote our CEO, unlike the products that currently exist on the market, Oxford Analytica provides a holistic, automated solution for fraud detection at all three stages of the credit card lifecycle. This allows our clients to implement multiple analytical solutions using a single, secure environment. Due in large part to the rise of e-commerce, the volume of cash exchanged through credit card transactions worldwide is expected to increase over the next decade, reaching $70 trillion by the end of the decade. This increase in transactions will give way to an increase in losses due to credit card fraud. Even in 2015, worldwide statistics show that $24.26 billion were lost due to fraudulent activity, with Visa incurring just over half of the losses, around $13 billion. So you might be asking, how does Oxford Analytics help reduce credit card fraud? Our fraud detection suite is comprised of 4 core services. It provides real-time behavioral profiles to interpret the behaviors of individuals, accounts, merchants, devices, etc. Supervised learning, machine learning based on billions of legitimate and fraudulent transactions as examples, unsupervised machine learning to continually retrain itself and detect outlier transactions, and adaptive analytics that continually update machine learning models based on the feedback from fraud analysts and experts. What sets us apart from the competition is our holistic approach to fraud prevention across all 3 stages of a fraud. The makeup stage, which is the first stage, includes fraud attempts during customer acquisition. Our product uses both internal and external data in order to detect anomalies with the application or for identification purposes, basically to make sure that the information is correct before approving the application. During the pump-up stage, fraudsters create the illusion of good credit by making small purchases that are paid off each month. The risk of losses, as you can see, starts to increase dramatically as the fraudulent accounts request credit line increases and start to add authorized users. Both supervised and unsupervised machine learning models can be applied here to identify these high-risk activities on accounts. Finally, the fraud that reaches the final stage incurs the most losses for the bank, and although it's very unlikely that we can recoup any of those losses at this point, forensic analysis can still be done on fraudulent accounts to help tune the rules and models for greater precision. Our solution offers a full suite of analytical packages that can be tailored to your own business needs. Our dynamic service-based model has a high degree of scalability that makes it ideal for large and small institutions alike. We're also very adaptable and include a wide variety of analytics from open source tools such as Hadoop, Spark, Drill, and Hive, as well as support to newer standards such as POSIX, and allowing cutting-edge AI and ML tools to run natively on the same cluster as all the other analytics. We have a 24/7 customer support, meaning there's no need for hiring and onboarding an operations staff, and we can provide technical training if requested. Calculating the expected savings, we can see that even using a conservative 4% reduction in fraud revenue losses, for Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, that still amounts to millions of dollars saved in 1 year. When comparing Oxford Analytica to other Hadoop distributions, we can use a customer-validated TCO model, which shows that using a 500 terabyte cluster, Oxford Analytica actually provides a 32% savings overall. Finally, our analysis shows positive revenue by the end of year 3, followed by subsequent year-on-year positive growth for years 4 and 5. This is even despite heavy investments into development and infrastructure. Thank you, and I hope you consider investing with us.